How to use Agoda price match. In order to use Agoda price match, you can book your hotels on Agoda, then submit a claim via support form. What you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make a booking on Agoda and secure lower price on another website. You could take a screenshot showing the lower rate, hotel's name, date, row, types, and cancellation policy as well. And you could also visit the Agoda's best price guarantee. So what you need is, you just have to fill out the claim form, including your Agoda booking ID, the URL of the cheap site as well. And Agoda will verify that the lower rate is available and matches all conditions. If approved, Agoda will typically match the price or refund the differences to your account as well. And you have to submit the claim at least by 11:59 local time on a day before your check-in. And the price must be the same hotel room type, datas, and currency, including tax and fees as well. And that is how you're supposed to use Agoda price match. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.